Century Modern Hairs, it's Adrian. Apologize for my hair, it's just, I can only need a haircut, but I've been working here at the Cliff May house that we have that we're fixing up for my client, and so just, well, I'm gonna deal with it, because I am too. So anyway, we made some really good progress today. Today is December 29th. I think my last video I was real confused on what day it was. Like I said, I've been spending way too much time here trying to get everything done, and well, we're moving on it, so that's good. I want to show you, we got a lot of the carpet out today. The floors are actually in really good shape. We got almost all of the master bath exposed. Got the door space cut out into the new laundry room middle space. And I'll kind of walk you through it real quick so you can see. It might be a little dark, and I apologize, we keep running out of daylight, but we are past the solstice, so happy solstice to everybody. We're about a week or so past it, which is great because I could use some sunlight longer into the day, and I think I'm ready for summer now that the holidays are over, and I guess we're heading into that one more here with New Year's Eve coming up, and then into 2020, which is crazy. Anyway, let's check it all out. So I think I've showed you this one before. Oh, isn't that great? It's just really dark. Anyway, that's been gutted and done. We'll head on down this way to the main space. This is just hilarious how much height we've been getting on here for just the junk we've got going on. We'll head on back down this hallway, and again, I apologize, I'm like a ghostly figure in here. Here is the door that I cut out for going into that soon-to-be middle space. I've yet to configure one like this, and I think this is actually probably one of the best configurations I've thought up. I guess fifth one is the charm. And then you can see in here, kind of pretend to, floor is opened up to the original wood floors all through here. You can see I'm trying to leverage this tub out, and so that's the last thing left to do in that master space that's there. So anyway, made really good progress. Trying to find the best light so you can kind of see me. Still moving right along. Really excited how things are going, and we'll be back in touch tomorrow. Thanks.